whakalawhātu makou, mawhala. Hoko mai ki ngā tapuai e mongo nei, ke sia ono e Showday Avatele. Whiawhilahi au mea ke hau lawe au e pongi nei, pesi ni, whiawhilahi au. What's up peeps? I'm here at ngā tapuai in Mangere, Mangele, to see the Avatele Showday. You know, see old Sione Kumitau, Lona Kumitau, Lolo, Sam Polisi. Those are the Avatele people that I know. There's probably a lot more in Kingston, and one boy in Niue. So yeah, pretty happy I'm here a bit early because I got to leave early. Just yeah, pretty much happy I can make it. Just came back from Niue, as you saw, for the Pule Whakamotu, and still buzzing. So just want to stay in the loop. But yeah, okay, gonna go in and have a look. Oh, here's the bro. Here's my bro, old Morgan. Yeah. Man. Oh, he's busy doing his thing. Hey, what's up, love? How are you? Fair, brother, how?
Oh, I think they're coming.
Okay. Oh, yeah. Yep, that's Tony. That's Peter's brother. Oh, yeah, we're here early. Got the food. It's my famous friend, Agnes. How are you?
Hello. You all good?
Mitaki. Oh, you back from Niue?
Well, I came back for Simmer's funerals, but I'm going back.
Oh, okay.
You good?
Yeah, good. You too. I just cut out. I'm gonna get me a stuff. Can I try on?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Thanks for Christmas.
Yeah, just have a look.
You just my normal wears, nothing new.
Oh, perfect.
Granddaughter's got one.
Oh, yeah. Sweet. If you're ever in Niue or in New Zealand and you see my friend Agnes, hauke whakatau e tau mena, come support.
Whanaho Niue, yeah.
Yeah, whanaho. Oh, yeah.
140. Yeah, I know. One for 140.
140.
Back
Whoa.
when they first came out. But they're on special, so
yeah, they were special, and they're nice and warm.
Quality, yeah.
Yeah, you'll be better than me.
Kalfat. Fiha. Hey man, I'm just look. Oh yeah. Oh, 40.
Yeah.
What's the size?
We gotta get rid of them.
Oh yeah. What's the size?
Sizes we have XL, 2XL.
Do you have any large?
I think we might have sold out, but I'll just double check.
Alright, sweet. If I record your stuff, bro, you right now?
Yeah.
Bro, you jump on the camera? Yeah. Just a full second, yeah? Cause what
do you want me to say?
Oh, whatever. Cause you're Niue, I'm looking for, Niue content, new entrepreneurs, and how'd you get into it? What's the purpose of selling?
Oh, yeah, okay.
Yeah? Alright. Yo, hey, my bro. I'm sure just meet you now, I don't know your name. Tell us what your business is about, or a little about yourself.
Yeah, whakawhila ia tu Kohingoha ko Tenei. I'm one of the owners entrepreneurs for Voyagers clothing, and Voyagers is a name that we chose, me, my brothers and sister, a family business. Voyagers means a lot to our culture and who we are as Polynesians, and we want to spread Voyagers out to all Polynesians around the world so that we have a deeper connection to clothing, and that's why I'm here today, to spread Voyagers to Niueans.
Oh, so whereabouts are you selling? Do you have an online website?
Yeah, we do have an online website. It's vygrs.co.nz. And we have a website with all our gear. We actually are launching our shorts and t-shirts for summer today, but we also have specials on. We've got hoods and track pants, and they're going at really cheap prices for $40, 100% quality, 100% cotton, but we've got to get rid of them, so get in while stocks last and share the journey in Voyagers.
Oh, right. Good, man. Oh, I'm gonna try this stuff. Whakaalawhātu Macau. Just got some beers. Got a pulau stuff. Whakaalawhātu, uncle. Whakaalawhātu. Hey, the takitaki.
I don't go so in the
Oh, yeah. That's Showday Tito. He's the king. Now from my mom. My mom always supporting. Yeah. Hey, Maike Lamona. I was just looking around. Oh. Huh? Tapulu for Pulau. See? Free stuff. So we're gonna go outside. Nice. This is nice. I wish I brought more money.
Yeah, thanks.
Oh well, I get paid next week, so Whakaalawhātu. Oh, eh?
More than 10 years,
Huh?
more than 10 years I have a tour way.
Wow. Puluala. Yeah. Whakawe Avatele. Awesome day. Oh, Hima Douglas has arrived. Speaker of the house. Nice. Yeah. Wow. Yeah.
Yeah, this is made out of pia. Only Niue people know what the pia looks like.
Yeah.
Yeah, the bush. It's very rare. Maybe another time. About the making of the head.
It's loud. Just here with my uncle. My famous uncle. My
Good
father.
morning, fala. Oi lai takitaki. Ko pili via puki nei.
Ayo.
Oi puki nei.
Yeah.
Oi.
Just with the bro, getting some shirts, supporting the business. Whakaalawhātu Macau. Hey,
my
auntie,
God.
good to see you.
Mum here?
Yeah, she's inside somewhere.
Mary's still coming. I told her now. I'll walk off without you. She's still walking.
Gee, how is it to be back?
Yeah.
That sounds normal, isn't it?
It's taking too long. I said, oh, no, I'm going without you. I see you there.
Oh, is Herx here?
Huh?
Herx?
No, he's still there. He's coming on the 21st.
Oh, okay. Oh, well, good to see you, auntie.
Yeah, likewise.
Yeah.
So you here with Mum? What
Yeah.
about the kids?
Just there at home now, yeah. Too busy still. Yeah. Oh yeah, I'm gonna go tonight and support. Yeah. Okay, auntie. Yeah. What have they got? I want to support, but now I'm getting broke. I'm already $100 in. Wow, not even been 10 minutes. But we'll see. Just at the takitaki stand with in-laws, Peter's family. Got my auntie, paid for my food. Whakaolahi, auntie. Yeah. Blessings. So now I can go and save my money. Yeah. Hai takihi, utiki kaina ke kai. Yeah, ai kisia. Ei ko e pisi pun pisi ko
taki bawake ai ke taki pun pisi matua hau macam matua hau ni ne tau taki ya ke pun pisi
fo loku
fo ai ko fo loku bawake me talo Niue me ngako Niue
ya ko e tuni mo fo ko ngolo. Oh, lea, osi, blessed. Omolahi e aho. Ei leva, kue mga aho.
Kue mga aho, osto.
Osi, kisia tau.
O, tahawe hae haku.
Makaka mafisi.
Mafisi, tau nane, tau takihi, tau whalaoa, tau pitako kapia, oi. Whalwhaki kaila, ke o te nof ke kai whamtaki.
Mangiho ingotu.
Ai, matua e matua. Para porque matua e que cai.
Que cai que cai porque me está aqui. Aí é onde cai tu, ninguém. É, tu lá uma fora. Aí. Taureva.
Aí, o taureva é mai he manga ko
Haku Avatele.
Avatele, aí. Aí,
o pelo Haku, Avatele.
Avatele de potre a honei. Aí, a menina é roqueira.
Aí. Yeah. Yeah. Que se aí. Motokahau. Fefe, mam.
Como?
E que ha honei.
Whanau mene ke whan ki Stone Field ke sia ia atu na isa ka pere he band hana he aonga.
Oh, ko hingo e instrument?
Ei, loa ka whanau hake ki sia.
Ko leo.
Ako ui mai, hau ke longa na ia ka tae band hana.
Oh, homo.
He aonga i Stone Field Primary School.
Oh, talange kia monuina, lawe iau. Kamata hola fiha?
Ai loa, ka mate holonga furu.
Oh, e mongo nei?
Tau men he tau aonga, kai tau whanau. Aia.
Oh, okay.
Bitaki lai. Aia, rene aha macam.
Well, that's it, guys. Man, that was a bit of a whirlwind of a just in and out. Just walked my mum to her car, made a matua, tau level. Man, ni mo te au. I'm just going home. That was fast, so I'm just gonna check the time. What time is it? It's 9:20. That's what I love about Niue things, man. No mucking around. Just mafisi, in and out. Got my takihi, whakolahi Auntie Mina, whiwhilahi o Maggie ke whilawea mo koi, mo Uncle Whaama. That's what you call blessings. So leo atu au ki kaina, and hopefully tonight I'm gonna be at the whatchamacallit, I'm gonna be at the Niue pool tournament. I just found this out this morning or last night. Whakao, a shout out to Vi for letting me know. Yeah, it was good. Vi sent me, just reminded me about today, and then she told me about tonight, so hopefully I'll be there tonight to show you what our Niue's best Niue's best pool players. Okay, kia monuina, to Whileveia.